Welcome to our 2025 guide on connecting your SimpliSafe base station to Wi-Fi. Let's explore this essential step for your home security system. Connecting your base station to Wi-Fi is crucial for real-time monitoring and alerts, enabling you to stay connected to your home's security from anywhere. First, always check your internet requirements to ensure that your connection meets SimpliSafe's compatibility standards. Next, locate your base station in a central part of your home for the best Wi-Fi connection. Ensure it's close to your router. Using the base station's menu, navigate to the settings and select the Wi-Fi option to start the setup process. Now, your base station will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Wait a moment for the scan to complete. Carefully enter your Wi-Fi password, ensuring that it's entered correctly to avoid connection issues. Once you've entered your password, the base station will test the connection. Look for a confirmation message on the screen. If you encounter issues, check these common problems: weak signal, incorrect password, or network overload. Congratulations! Your SimpliSafe base station is now connected. For further optimization, consider exploring additional features and settings.